I am 22, and every breath I take, every beat of my heart, is an echo of something eternal. In the grand expanse of time, my existence is but a fleeting moment, a single note in an infinite symphony. Yet, that moment, this note, is everything. What does it mean to be alive in this moment? To be conscious in the vast cosmos, with the stars stretching out above me like a blanket of light, each one a reminder of how small and yet how connected I am to everything. I am woven together by the same forces that shape the galaxies, and here I am, thinking, feeling, being. The most mind-bending part of it all is the realization that the entire universe is experiencing itself through me. I am not just a single entity. I am the universe gazing back at itself, trying to understand its own existence. It's as if the universe, in all its vastness, condensed into this one tiny moment of consciousness. Me, here, now. And if that is true, then every choice I make ripples out across time and space. Every smile I share, every kindness I offer, send waves through the fabric of existence, touching lives I may never meet, changing destinies I will never know. My life is both infinitesimally small and unimaginably vast, and knowing that I am both everything and nothing all at once. It's overwhelming, humbling, awe-inspiring, and it makes me realize that life, in all its complexity and mystery, is a miracle beyond comprehension.